Hey everyone, it's Deborah, and it is Scrap Busting Saturday. I am filming it today because I am creating so many scraps by making the mini albums that I need to work on those scraps as much as possible. So I decided to make some ephemera, and this is a KSCRAFT die. These are still drying, but I just wanted to show you that I did cut these out. They're little lambs. I believe they're from the January release. I will leave a link to Amazon for these. And I just added some little flowers. I drew in the vase and, just cute little things. And that's what I did with those. I have quite a few. These I need to go back and do the cheeks, because you'll see on some other ones that I actually put blush on the cheeks, and I need to do that to these. Haven't done that. And then I had found a cute little die on Amazon. He's super cute. It's just the bunny head, the shirt, the little hands, and the bottom half of his body. You can see there's no backing to it, and and the ears do come with it. The ear layering goes with it. And I just added a little flower, and you can see that I did put blush on his cheeks, and I used gel pens to do the nose and the mouth and the little detail over here on the feet. So that's one, and you can tell that I've used some of the bee paper that I've used in projects this month. So have a bunch of scraps. There's another one. How sweet. And then here's another one of the little lambs, and I just added more little flowers. So I do need to put blush on those little cuties. And then here's some more of the little bunnies, and you can see, look, the little chick paper that I used previously in one of the mini albums. And just, they're cute, they're sweet. Even though they don't have eyes, I guess I could put a little bead or something over their eyes. That would work. Okay. And then let's see. Oh, here's a little sheep, and or lambs or whatever. And I did put blush on their little cheeks. They're so cute with the blush. So I do have a bunch of those. There's one. There's one. They're super cute. These are all KSCRAFTs except for that bunny. I'm not sure what he is. It's a different company. I'll do a link for it. In fact, I believe these eggs came with that bunny, or they came with one of the KSCRAFT dies. I can't remember, guys. And then here is a bunny that I actually cut out on my Cricut many years ago. And look how cute. Let me see if I can, yeah, you can kind of see it that way. But it has that cutout right there, and it's so cute. And I just added an eye to them, and then the flowers. All right, and then these are KSCRAFT spring dies, spring word dies, and of course the Celebrate New Life. And I added my little flowers to it. My favorite little flower from Scrap Diva Designs House Mini Album. That is the cutest. And then keep calm and carry it on. Super cute. And then peeping it real. I need some little peeps to put on it. And then shake your bunny tail. Wouldn't this look cute to put him on top of, like sitting on top of that, or right behind it? It's super cute. Anyway, that's what I did. And of course I made the tickets from, this is from a new Scrap Diva Designs die set. And then I also made the Scrap Diva Designs A2 gift card envelopes. And I would like to send some of this ephemera to try out in one of these envelopes and see how it works. I would love to do that. But anyway, let me know if you're interested. But I just wanted to show you all the ephemera I made so far. Oh yes, and I did make 3 more of these little notebooks. I had a ton of this paper left over from making the bee-themed coffee mug albums, these. And I had so much of this paper left over because I used 8.5 by 11 sheets. Well, I made 3 more of these, and I just went to town on cutting this down and making these cute little notebooks. Again, this is that 1.75 by 2-inch notebook that I showed a tutorial on, I believe last week actually. So anyway, I did those. So I am going to be working on the scraps as much as possible, because look at all the scraps I've already created from working on projects this month. Oh my goodness. I mean, it's overwhelming. I can't wait till the last Saturday to work on them. So I have to work on them, you know, as much as possible. So I will be putting, adding a Scrap Saturday video showing you what I've made with the scraps. Oh yeah, I forgot about these. Cut out a bunch of little eggs. This might be from that little bunny. Yep, these are from the bunny die. So this little bunny die, he actually comes with those eggs. So let me see if I can find it. Yep, here he is. He's super cute. All it comes with, these eggs, the bunny face. So here he is right here, okay? The bunny bottom, or the bottom half of his body. And then it comes with his little shirt. And then this is the inside of the ears, this little piece. And then this is a bow, if you want to add that. I didn't use it. And then there's little hearts if you want to use those. I didn't use those. And then his little hands. That's it. And I just, you know, cut as many as possible out. I will leave a link to that one. I don't know the name of the company, but I will leave a link to it. Anyway, super cute. Just having a lot of fun with making Easter ephemera. It was just fun. Fun. So I'm going to go ahead and put the blush on these other little sheep that I forgot to do. Oh, and then I showed you the tickets. I think the tickets from Scrap Diva Designs. That's from this month's release. And of course the A2. That's from this month's release. If you want me to send you some of this ephemera and we try out this envelope, let me know. You leave a comment. I only have 4, so and I don't have a lot of ephemera yet, but I can send you a few things. It may not be all this, it may be something else, but something flat. Anyway, we'll try those out. All right, guys, have a great day. Bye.